Okay, we're in a stable idle here at about 750 RPM. Gauges are all looking good except for the fuel. These are notoriously inaccurate, and we've only got 5 gallons out of a 14-gallon tank, so it may just be gauge. May just be the range of tolerance of the gauge. As we rev it to the RPM coming up, see the charging coming up on the ammeter. Oil pressure is good. Hear how it smooths out. Nice clean back off. Nice stable idle. We have yet to do anything as far as setting the timing. We're going to leave that until we get everything run in here a little bit. We're going to convert over to Pertronix electronic ignition, and we'll verify the timing then. But for now, I'd say we're in pretty good shape. Temperature seems to be holding constant, right about where it should be.